A little bit more here on creating time deltas by subtracting date time. So this is pretty cool. You can have a date time. Here's the one date time, and we can subtract two date times, and that'll give us a time delta. So notice this is a time delta object. So this is a negative. You can have positive. If I did it like this, so there's nothing wrong with having, you can have negative or positive time deltas. That's perfectly valid. You can also do math with some time deltas. So here I've created some time deltas directly. And so I can add them together like this. I can multiply a time delta. So I can say, all right, 5 times this, we'll get that. I can divide a time delta. And you can also divide two time deltas against one another. So it says, how much larger is this one than this one? How many times larger is it? So that also works. Here, I'm just going to show you how to create a time delta with two date times in a data frame. We've already actually seen this, but just to a little bit of review, the start time and stop time I've created as date times. So the stop time, you subtract the two columns, you'll get a series of date times over here. Okay, very cool. So that is how you can do some math with date times to get some time deltas.